Hey, it's Emily from WTI. If you want to celebrate Oktoberfest like a native, you're going to need some Lederhosen. My husband loves these authentic Lederhosen from Cuir. These are a 100% full grain, high quality leather, and they come with the matching suspenders. These are a beautiful, excellent quality and thickness that have a comfortable inner lining, and they also have gorgeous embroidery all over. There are a lot of extra details, pockets. The buttons are very authentic wood buttons. It has adjustable suspenders and that true Bavarian detailing and style. These Lederhosen were perfect for the Oktoberfest that we went to this year, and I know my husband will use these every single year. We ate, we drank, we polkaed the night away, and they were comfortable enough for him to do all the activities that he wanted to do. But the great thing about Lederhosen is they actually conform and adjust to your body as you break them in. So I'm confident these will become even more comfortable for him in the future. He received so many compliments on these Lederhosen. He was even asked to participate in the costume contest for the Oktoberfest that we attended. As you can see, we had a great time. If you're looking for authentic but comfortable leather Lederhosen, we cannot recommend this brand enough. We love these. And that's my point of view.